Hello friends, welcome to my channel Focus on Science. Today's topic is motion and types of motion. First we will start with definition of motion. An object is said to be in motion if it changes its position with time and with respect to its immediate surroundings. For example, moving bus, moving bicycle, flying bird, moving camel cart, motion of a football, etc. Different objects move in different ways. Now let us discuss the various types of motion. Translatory motion. The motion of an object in which every point of the object moves through the same distance in same interval of time is called translatory motion. Example: moving car, bullet, child coming from the slide, etc. Translatory motion is of two types: rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. First, rectilinear motion. The motion of an object along a straight line is called rectilinear motion. For example, car moving along a straight road, ball falling down in a straight path, and bullet from a gun. Then curvilinear motion. The motion of an object along a curved line is called curvilinear motion. A car taking a turn on the road, basketball thrown into the basket, etc. Circulatory motion. The motion of an object about a fixed point along the circumference of a circle without changing its position is called circulatory motion. For example, motion of a rotating fan, hands of a clock, potter's wheel, spinning top, etc. Oscillatory motion. The motion of an object in which the object moves to and fro or back and forth about its mean position is called oscillatory motion. For example, motion of a pendulum and motion of a swing. Next is vibratory motion. The motion of an object in which a part of an object moves to and fro or back and forth in a fixed pattern about its mean position while the rest of the object always remain fixed is called vibratory motion. For example, instruments such as guitar, violin, and drum produce vibratory motion. Periodic motion. The motion which repeats itself at fixed intervals of time is called periodic motion. For example, motion of the earth around the sun, motion of a sewing machine needle, etc. Non-periodic motion. The motion which does not repeat itself at fixed intervals of time is called non-periodic motion. For example, swinging arms and legs while walking, car moving on a busy road, etc. Random motion. The motion in which an object changes its direction frequently is called random motion. For example, motion of a flying kite, motion of smoke particles, etc. Multiple motion. The motion which is combination of two or more types of motion is called multiple motion. For example, motion of a bicycle, motion of a drill machine, motion of a pulley used to draw water from a well, etc. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.